Hello enterprise software salesperson. Although the economy is blowing chunks right now with no end in sight, our Fortune 100 company is still spending a crap load of money on IT. We heard on Fox News that cloud computing will solve our problems. And gold. Freedom gold. But for now let's focus on cloud computing. Can you please explain it to us?
It is with great pleasure, Mr. CIO, that I can now tell you our cloud story.
Great, so you will now show me your cloud solutions?
Actually, Mr. CIO, I want to focus on messaging today, nothing technical. After you hear our story and see our PowerPoint pictures, you will assume we must have a well-developed, thoroughly tested and field-proven software stack, because how else could we justify such an investment in PowerPoint? In a nutshell, cloud computing changes everything. It's a radical new paradigm that will reduce IT costs, transform the role of the CIO, lift the economy out of recession, stop global warming, and make Glenn Beck shut up.
That all sounds great, but what the heck is cloud computing?
It is actually quite simple, Mr. CIO. Cloud computing is about dynamic provisioning of fluffy unicorn rainbows, bursting down massive sky-based value directly into your business. Oh, and agility, lots of agility. Enough agility to give you vertigo.
I'm sorry, enterprise software sales dude, but I still don't understand what cloud computing actually is.
I can see you are highly technical, Mr. CIO, so let me explain further. Cloud computing is when you access a compute resource delivered from outside your company. You know how Windows automatically downloads patches, so it is slightly less of a gaping security hole in hacker's paradise? Those updates are delivered through the cloud. Or how about when you see pictures of your sister-in-law's vacation to Idaho on Flickr? Or when you spend hours playing Farmville? That is all cloud.
Isn't that all just the internet? That is hardly news.
Well, we are calling it all cloud now, because that makes you want to buy more stuff from us. Just like putting an eye in front of devices make you want to buy highly proprietary lockdown phones and tablet computers. Also, everyone is doing cloud now, so if you are not on board you will look out of touch to your CEO.
So what cloud products do you offer?
Actually, if you consider private clouds, which you surely must, since they are your organization's final fragile grip on your jobs, every product we offer is now cloud. For example, private cloud resource pools typically include virtual resources, therefore our discovery tool that can find a virtual machine is cloud. Your private cloud must run on assets, right? Therefore you need our asset management solution. The physical servers that run the virtual servers require electricity, do they not? So surely you will want some of our deluxe cloud power cords. By the transitive property of Kevin Bacon Cloud Solution selling, you will really want our entire software stack.
But what about my existing investments in virtualization? What about security? What about service quality?
Great questions, Mr. CIO. I would be happy to set up a follow-up meeting where our subject matter experts can drill down on those technical questions with you. Do you have a bigger conference room? Also, where could we park a bus?
You are starting to freak me out now. I don't think we are ready for cloud computing.
Well, Mr. Neanderthal, we actually have a maturity model that will make it easy for even you to implement incremental value creating steps along your journey to cloud computing.
So you have a service engagement with project phases to match my needs?
No, it's just another PowerPoint slide, but it will help you envision our message, so you can achieve our story.
Thank you, enterprise software sales dude, for all the hype and vague explanations of your value proposition. I am now feeling stupid and inadequate, which makes me want to just give up and let your company tell me what I need to do.
My work is done here.